Are you tired of your boring and basic wardrobe? Struggling to find cool Pinterest-worthy pieces to add to your outfits? If yes, then you came to the right place. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 7 easy and budget-friendly DIY ideas to uplevel your fashion game. Literally anyone can do this. Anyone. Don't believe me? Let's get into the video and I will show you. Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? I'm back with a very fun video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys 7 easy DIYs to spice up your outfits. These are things that anyone can make. They are super easy, super easy, very budget friendly, and you can make these with things that you already have at your house, mostly. I'm very energized right now and super excited, so let's get into the video. So maybe you have noticed the necklace that I've been wearing all this time. I'll give you 2 seconds. Guess who made it? Guess. Did you guess me? Of course, I made it. Who else would? Don't worry, my girlies, I won't gatekeep. I will show you right now how you can make it too. It's literally so easy to make. It takes like 15 minutes, not even 15 minutes, like 10 minutes to make. It gives like such a beachy, summery, mermaid core vibe, and I am all in for it. So to make this, the materials you will be needing are a shell, any shell that you can get your hands on, a thread, scissor, a lighter, and clasps. So to make this, what you're gonna do, if your shell already has a hole in it, very good. If it doesn't, then what you're gonna do is take the part that you want to make the hole in, heat it up a little so it's easier to break into. Just use the lighter. Be very careful with this step, okay? Just heat it up a little bit and then stab it with a scissor. Any pair of scissor or any sharp object, stab it. Make sure you don't stab too hard or too not hard, because if you stab it like too hard, then it's gonna break the entire shell. Make sure the hole is big enough for your thread to go in. I used 3 strands of thread because I wanted to make like braids. So what you gotta do now is just pass the thread through the shell and wrap it around. The shell stays there, so the shell becomes like secure, it doesn't move. Now what you do is use the 3 strands of thread and make a braid. I hope you know how to make a braid, alright? So you're gonna make a braid, and once it's done, you're just gonna attach the clasp at the end, and your necklace is done. What is beating still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. I can totally see myself wearing this to a beach, apart from the fact that there is no beach nearby where I live, so. Alright, my girly puffs, are you guys ready to turn your basic boring jeans into Y2K baddie jeans? Are you ready? Because if you are, your girl got you. It's extremely easy. Extremely easy. Look at this. Look at what I made. This is so cool. These are a pair of jeans that I never wore because they are just like too basic. But now I can totally see myself wearing this because oh my god. For one, I did a star with this swirl kind of thing, and for one, I did like a heartbeat thing. You can choose any pattern you want. I'm gonna leave you some prints. You can do it all over the jeans. You can do it on the back pocket like I did, or on the front part. Anywhere you want, you can choose a shape, any character, any word if you want to write something, or just randomly put your stones all over the jeans. So to make this, you will need an old pair of jeans or any boring pair of jeans, stones, and fabric glue. That's it. Choose the part of the jeans that you want to bedazzle. I chose the back pocket. So now you're going to use like a pencil or something, like a chalk or pencil, and make the print, whatever you want to make. the design. Just draw that. Then you just put your favorite glue on top of the sketch that you made and just start sticking your stones. That's it. You can use different colors of stones, different sizes of stones, and you're done. Just let it dry and you're done.
Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing.
And you are literally ready to look like a baddie. So girlies, if you know me, you know I love ties. Like, I am in love with ties. Like, something about them is just spicy. Like, it's just beautiful. Like, adds such a vibe to your outfits. One of my inspirations for wearing ties is Serena from Gossip Girls. She wore ties to her like school. She's a goddess. I love her. I love Blake Lively. So we're gonna turn our basic ties and spice them up even more. I don't think you will find something like this that will not cut off your pocket. So we're gonna make this in budget. The materials that you will need is a tie, any tie, some pearls, and fabric glue. First, make the knot of the tie. Make sure you adjust it to the size that you usually wear. I like to keep my tie a little long, so that's what I did. That's how I tied my tie. Make sure you do that before you start sticking the pearls. After you're done, you're gonna choose a design. I did this like swirl zigzag kind of design. Then you're gonna sketch it out on your tie. It's better to always have a rough sketch. Then you're going to add fabric glue on it, okay? And just attach the pearls. Super easy, just attach the pearls onto your design, let it dry, and your pearl tie is ready.
'Cause your love's underrated. Deep in my heart, I know you're irreplaceable. Together.
I honestly get compliments every time I wear a tie for some reason. Like, this is your sign to wear ties. Do it. And definitely wear a pearl tie. Do I even have to convince you to make this? Like, if you're not making this cutie pie, then what the hell are you doing in life? Sorry to put it out that way, but I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's so adorable, literally so adorable. You can also give this to your loved ones. This is so cute. A keychain might not be a wardrobe essential, you might ask me, but, listen, bear with me. Are you familiar with the Jane Birkin effect? Basically, it's where you attach charms and big keychains and chains and all these cool things to your basic boring bags and make it cool. That's what this is gonna do. You can attach it to your boring bags and cutie pie it. So for this, the materials you will need are yarn, keychain, some kind of eyes, fabric glue or glue gun, and a pair of scissors. You can use 2 colors of yarn or you can use only a single color according to you. For this big part, like the bigger balls, we're gonna wrap the yarn around 85 times. I used my fingers for this. Just wrap it around and then tie a knot in the middle. You're gonna tie a knot and then cut the ends. From the both sides, you're going to cut the ends. After that, you're just going to keep on chopping off the yarn from all around until it makes your desired size of ball. Like, it has to make a round, kind of like, it doesn't have to be a perfect round. You're gonna make 2 of these, all right? 2 of these for the head and the body. Smaller balls, I used a fork, and you're gonna wrap the yarn around the fork 30 times, all right? And then just do the same thing. Make a tie in the middle and cut the ends of the yarn until it makes a ball kind of thing. You're going to make 6 of those. After you're done, you either use fabric glue or glue gun if you have glue gun. 2 ears, 2 hands, and 2 legs. You're gonna attach them, and then you're gonna attach the 2 balls as well. Then you can attach 2 eyes, any eyes you like. I also attached a like round of yarn for the nose, and then attached another like dot kind of thing, like a black for the nose. That is completely optional. And I attached the pink yarn for the bow. I just used a crayon to make the blush, and then just attach the keychain. You can sew it on if you want, or you can just attach it however you like, and that's it.
I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heart need a saving, 'cause your love's underrated.
Literally, if you make something from this video, make this. Please make this. I don't know why everyone is sleeping on waist chains. It's such an extra addition to your outfit. Like, no one really thinks about it, so you should. For this, the materials that you will need are obviously beads, thread, needle, optional, and clasps. What you're gonna do is, if you're using a needle, it's good. I couldn't use a needle because my needle was either too small or too big, and it wasn't going through the beads, so I had to do it by hand. But it's easier with a needle, so if you can, try to use that. Just gonna add the beads, any pattern you wanna do it with. Just add the beads until your desired length. Make sure you measure it. Okay, you can just like wrap it around and see if it's your desired length or not. And once you're done with adding the beads, you're just gonna tie in the clasps at the end of the waist chain, and you're done. It's literally so easy to make and such a cool thing.
Around in circles, our love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around.
You can literally even wear it as a necklace. Like, literally, it's 2 in 1. If that's not good enough for you to go and make it, then you're just lazy. How can we even make a DIY video without chopping something, cutting something? Why did I say chopping? Anyways, so we're gonna cut a top. I will recommend you to use a stretchy top, any top with a stretchy material, because I used a satin top and it was the biggest mistake I did. I kind of messed up, but I still ended up doing it. You can't really see it because it's literally black, so you can't really see the design, but yeah, it's kind of like that. I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's super easy. All you need is a pair of scissors and your t-shirt or shirt. I just made a pattern, like a heart pattern, like half hearts, 2 hearts, and then I cut it. Try to use a smaller pair of scissors because I used a big pair of scissors and it was kind of messing up, so a smaller would help more. I also cut the sleeves and the collar, which is completely optional. Then you're just gonna cut the top. Then you're going to do this, what is being shown in the video, just like pull and I don't know how to explain, just watch the video. That's how you're gonna do this. Okay, and that's how you end up with this t-shirt. It's just a cool way to upgrade your old top that you don't wear anymore, or you can just practice your cutting. Basically, even if you're not wearing it, you can just practice your cutting.
Heart is beating, still won't make a sound.
I will not be wearing it because I really did mess up. Don't use satin material. I had to come closer for this one because in this we're not gonna make anything. I'm just gonna show you guys a very cool hack that you can do with just 2 things. We're gonna end with the easiest thing. Alright, the 2 things that you need are either a ribbon or a scarf and a pearl or any thick necklace. I saw this on Instagram actually. She did it with a scarf, but we're gonna use this because I don't know how, but I don't have a scarf. Your pearl and take your ribbon and just put it in like this. Okay, wrap it around, then use one strand, place it, another one, put it in. Okay, yeah. You can leave it just like that if you want. You can bring it to the middle. This is more on the elegant side, but you can also do something like this. So you're just gonna wrap it, like completely wrap it, just in circular or clockwise motions. Wrap the both, one in clockwise and one in anti-clockwise, and it's gonna tuck the ends, and you have like a cute little rose. You can't really see it because it's like black, but it makes like a cute little rose, so you can make that with this. It's so cute, and you have pearl on one side and then the rose thing on the other side. You can also do this easily with a scarf. You just have to wrap this scarf around. Another hack is you will need a thin ribbon or any thin thread or ribbon like this, and then you will need a thick pearl or any thick necklace, and then you're gonna do the same thing. Put it in the middle like this, just pass it through. You're going to wrap it around your neck, pass one strand like that. Gonna pull it to the side and adjust it. Another one inside. Pass the another strand from inside as well. Make a knot first. Make a knot. You can literally leave it like that. We're gonna make a bow. So you know how to tie a bow, right? Oh, okay. That's the bow. That's the bow. This is also so cute. Who doesn't love bows? And this is such an easy way to upgrade your necklace. I love it. That's it. Isn't it super easy? I told you anyone could do it. See? I proved a point. Didn't I? Alright, so that's it for the video. I really enjoyed making the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. Anything you are making from this video, let me know down in the comments. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. My hair just opened. Anyways, bye.